It's the D-Day for Thalapathy, Vijay. All eyes on the Madras High Court, which is set to pronounce its verdict in the censor row that has in fact stalled his much-awaited film Jana Nayagan before he takes on the role of a full-time politician. Now, the Central Board of Film Certification, or the CBFC, and KVN Productions, producer of Jana Nayagan, have been squaring off in the court for most of the month. The Madras High Court heard both the CBFC and the producers' arguments on the 20th of January and reserved the order. The CBSE, meanwhile, had filed an appeal against an order passed by a single judge at the High Court on the 9th of January. This report gets you more.
I am coming.
Thalapathy Vijay's last real act before the pole plunge. Jana Nayagan, the most awaited Vijay film for his fans, caught in the censor crosshairs. The film was submitted for CBFC certificate on December 18, 2025. The censor board cleared it with a universal 16+ certification. Minor cuts were suggested and the makers complied. By December 29th, changes were verified and certification was confirmed. Release date set for January 9. Come December 30 and the certificate never arrived. A sudden twist on January 5, just days before the release. The film sent to a revising committee, a complaint, a claim hurting religious sentiments. The makers alleged that the delay was deliberate. The High Court questioned the censor board. Why weren't the filmmakers informed earlier? Team Vijay asks if everything was cleared, why the silence? The producers moved Supreme Court. The top court refused to intervene and sent the matter right back to High Court.
I am coming.
Now the D-Day. Will it be climax to the pre-release drama of further delays? All eyes are on the High Court. This is not just about a release date, not just about certification. Jana Nayagan is now not just a movie, it is Vijay's war cry.
அதனால நீங்க என்ன சூழ்ச்சி நம்ம மேல பண்ணாலும் என்ன அழுத்தம் நீங்க கொடுத்தாலும் இந்த அடங்கி போறதுக்கோ இந்த அண்டி பொழைக்கிறதுக்கோ இல்ல இந்த அடிமையா இருக்கிறதுக்கால நாம அரசியலுக்கு வரல.
Bureau Report, NDTV.
உன்னை காலி பண்ணிடுவேன் அசிங்கப்படுத்திடுவேன்னு சொல்ற எவனா இருந்தாலும் சரி.
My colleague Vijay joins us for more on this upcoming verdict that is expected today. Vijay, can we expect a green sheet from the division bench later today, or is this headed to a third judge chamber? And more importantly, how's the emotion on ground there?
It is really an emotional moment for fans. Jana Nayagan is said to be the farewell film for actor turned politician Vijay. As far as verdict is concerned, there are two possibilities. One is either split verdict or a clear verdict. If it is in case a split verdict, the division bench may refer the case to a third bench. So, which means there is a possibility of the movie to get released, more possibility in delay. But however, if the division bench, Chief Justice bench give a clear order in the sense, so immediately there is a process for CBFC within court may set certain timeline for CBFC to grant certification for Jana Nayagan movie, which means the production house later will give a clear date for a movie to get released. However, the production house had missed great weekend dates like Pongal holidays, Republic holidays. So now there are very minimum possibility, good weekend dates for Jana Nayagan movie to get released. However, all eyes on Madras High Court. What would be the verdict? Fans are also highly expecting the movie to get released by this month or at least by February 2nd week.